Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be going over this rigid impact driver. This is model R862311. So we're going to be showing you all the features of this, and then we're going to be showing you how to install these attachments and also how to install a bit. So the first thing we'll show you is how to remove and reinstall the battery. So you can see the battery's in. It comes with this nice little indicator light, shows you the battery life. So to remove the battery, you're going to press in on these two buttons and then just pull straight out. And then to reinstall, you're going to line up these grooves right here with these grooves in the base, and then you're just going to slide it in until you hear a click. Okay. Now moving up the tool, this is our trigger, and then this is our safety and our forward and reverse. So when this button is in the middle, it acts as a safety and it won't let you press the trigger. So you're going to want that if you're transporting the tool. You're going to want it locked in the middle. If you want to be in forward, you're going to press this button. That'll put you in forward. And then if you press it in on this side, that puts it in reverse. And then down here, these are our speeds. So you can see this first one is speed 1, then speed 2, and then finally speed 3. And now we'll show you how to install a bit. So you can see we have a standard bit here. And to install it, you just want to insert it and just press straight down. And you can see this little ring presses down, locks it into place nicely. And then to remove it, you just pull up on this ring right here and it pops the bit right out. You see the bit pops out, pushes in, and it just pops right out. So that pretty much goes over all the features of this impact. It's a pretty simple tool to use. I mean, as far as the speed settings, if you're drilling into like cabinetry or anything like, that you don't want to be drilling too fast, you're obviously going to want to be using a lower speed. But if you need to tighten, something like a long screw, you could probably get away with using the third setting. It goes quick. So when it's on number 3, it goes very, very fast. So just be careful. So then we have our attachments here. This is our belt loop, and then this is our bit holder. You can see the bit sits in here nicely, and then they're gonna go into either one of these. They're both interchangeable, so you can put this on this side or this on this side. So for the belt loop, if you're a righty, I like to put it on this side of the impact. And to do that, you just put this little groove into this slot, and then it just sits in there. And then it comes with a screw. So you just put the screw in here. And then I'm just kind of tightening it down loosely, but you're going to want to tighten it up better than that. And then put our bit holder in. To do that, that sits in here just like this. Same process. Put the screw in. And just tighten down, and then you can put your bit in so you never lose your bit. Now if you're a lefty, you're probably going to want your belt loop on the right hand side, so you could put it down on the left side of your body or the left side of your tool belt, but this would sit on the right side of your tool belt. So I got this impact driver I got this as a combo kit. I got this rigid brushless and the rigid brushless power drill for $230 at Home Depot. However, I was doing a little bit of research and I found the same exact combo kit on Amazon for $200. So I'll put a link in the description on where you could find both the combo kit for the brushless and the drill. And then I'll also put a link for just the impact in case you already own a drill and you're just looking for an impact driver. So yeah, guys, that's the rigid R862311 impact driver. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have a bunch of other tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.